Good evening, and welcome to Mega Force Ministries Incorporated. We are excited this evening about all that God is going to do and what will be shared. We are looking forward to some great things in God, and we're going to touch on some dimensional things and salvational, and we're going to deal with some territorial and all kinds of exploits dealing with the understanding of God's revelatory movement. And we're postured and positioned to let God use us, and we pray that you receive all that God has for you for the maturity and growth and expansion in God for this year. We thank God for this governmental hour, how He is calling and He's establishing the counsel of God throughout the land, and there's a call in the realm of God. The clarion call has been made. And I thank God that we are part of this remnant. I thank God that we are positioned with possession to do much and to reach many places and spaces in the lives of God's people. So on this night, we're going to deal with the realms of God and the move of His Spirit. And I pray that you enjoy this evening as we endeavor to move forward in this blessed work.